Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learn Bangla with Tinkers. Today we will learn 10 simple and easy introductory sentences in Bangla. So let's start. Number 1, we will learn Bangla introductory sentences. So at first, Dorja lagao. Dorja lagao. Look how I pronounce Dorja lagao. Dorja lagao. It means close the door. Close the door. Dorja lagao. Repeat with me. Dorja lagao. Excellent. So let's learn number 2. Dorja kholo. Dorja kholo. Look how I pronounce Dorja kholo. Dorja kholo. Open the door. Open the door. Look how I pronounce Dorja kholo. Dorja kholo. At once, Dorja kholo. Dorja kholo. Open the door. Open the door. Dorja kholo. Excellent. Number 3. Janala kholo. Look how I pronounce Janala kholo. Ja-na-la. Ja-na-la. Janala kholo. Janala kholo. Open the window. Janala kholo. Open the window. Look how I pronounce Janala. Janala kholo. Kholo. Janala kholo. Repeat with me. Yes, you are doing great. Number 4. Janala lagao. Look how I pronounce Janala. Janala lagao. La-ga-o. Lagao. Janala lagao. Look how I pronounce Janala lagao. That means close the window. That means close the window. Janala lagao. Janala lagao. At once, Janala lagao. At once, Janala lagao. In English, close the window. In English, close the window. Awesome. Number 5. Boiti poro. Boiti poro. Boiti poro. At once, Boiti poro. Look how I pronounce Boiti poro. Boiti poro. Repeat with me. Boiti poro. Read the book. Boiti poro. Read the book. Look how I pronounce Boiti poro. Boiti poro. That's great. Number 6. Amar dike takao. Amar dike takao. Look how I pronounce Amar. Amar dike. Amar dike. Takao. Amar dike takao. Look at me. Amar dike takao. Look at me. Amar dike takao. At once, Amar dike takao. Look at me. That's great. Number 7. Gache pani dao. Gache pani dao. Look how I pronounce Gache pani dao. Repeat with me. Gache pani dao. Repeat with me. Gache pani dao. At once, Gache pani dao. Water the plants. Look how I pronounce Gache pani dao. Gache pani dao. Water the plants. Water the plants. That's great. Number 8. Kobitati likho. Kobitati likho. Kobitati likho. Look how I pronounce Kobitati likho. Kobitati likho. At once, Kobitati likho. Write the poem. Kobitati likho. Write the poem. That's great. Now repeat with me. Excellent. You're doing great. Number 9. Coffee banao. Coffee banao. We pronounce coffee. Coffee banao. Coffee banao. Look how I pronounce coffee banao. Advance. Make coffee or prepare the coffee. Look how I pronounce coffee banao. Coffee banao. Yes, excellent. The last one, number 10. Cha banao. Look how I pronounce cha banao. Repeat with me. Cha banao. At once. Cha banao. Make tea. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the learning. Shubho Biday.